Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the pound fall 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
China continues to expand its reliance on Russian energy, with purchases of crude, oil products, gas and coal rising to $35 billion since the war in Ukraine began, from about $20 billion a year earlier. Australia's new government has signalled its first moves to regulate the crypto industry, with a token mapping exercise to be conducted by the Treasury by the end of the year. LG Electronics received a one-time payment in patent licensing fees for around $600 million, but didn't name the customers. Reports say that this licensing fee was from two companies, one of them being Apple.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US new home sales will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.